Sadhisa has ousted Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh, declares war on State Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu. The BJP has offered Captain to join hands with it. In a direct invite to Amrinder, Home Minister in BJP-ruled Haryana, Anil Vij has said someone like Amrinder, who is a staunch nationalist, must join other nationalist forces, which went on to say that Congress removed nationalist captain from Punjab as he was a hurdle for its anti-national activities. The Haryana minister even went on to say that Pakistan President Imran Khan and Army Chief Bajwa have conspired with the Congress to install Sidhu to destabilize Punjab. Amrinder had earlier referred to Sidhu hugging Pakistan Army Chief and described him as anti-national, who is in fact in cahoots with Pakistan, promising that he will oppose him tooth and nail.
राष्ट्रवादी अमरिंदर सिंह जो कांग्रेस की इस गंदी साजिश में बाधा थे, उनका राजनीतिक तौर पर कत्ल कर दिया गया। कांग्रेस के ये जो गेम प्लान है, इसको फेल करने के लिए ना केवल अमरिंदर सिंह को, सभी ताकतों को इकट्ठा होकर इनको धाराशायी करना चाहिए। पाकिस्तान के प्रेसिडेंट इमरान खान और वहाँ के आर्मी चीफ बाजवा के मित्र नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू और उसके साथियों को सत्ता में लाने का कांग्रेस की राष्ट्र विरोधी गहरी साजिश है।
Well, let's listen to what former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh had told India Today about Sidhu.
If Navjot Sidhu, the PCC president, becomes the chief minister, will you fully support him? Will you endorse Sidhu's chief ministership?
I will oppose him tooth and nail. I will oppose him tooth and nail, Rajdeep. I will never allow that man to come. He is an anti-national element. I will not allow him. He is too mixed up with Pakistan. You've heard my speech last time when I said this. You and I were on television on this very issue. And I said the way our Indian soldiers are being killed and he's hugging that damn Bajwa fellow or Imran Khan, and the speeches he gave at Kartarpur in praise of Imran Khan and all this sort of thing. We are not all fools, you know.
Former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has launched a fresh attack on the Congress High Command, this time targeting the Gandhis. Captain has said that Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi are inexperienced and are ill-advised. Here's more.
Just days after his unceremonious ouster, Amrinder Singh has come out all guns blazing. The captain minced no words in an outburst against the Congress leadership and Navjot Singh Sidhu. He even went on to the extent of saying he would set up a strong candidate against Sidhu if he was made Chief Minister face for the polls. He warned his party that it would end up with double digits in the 2022 polls if it projected Sidhu. Amrinder didn't stop with just an attack on Sidhu. He made it very clear that he was hurting from being axed as the Chief Minister. The former Chief Minister for the first time included the Gandhis in his fierce attack. He called Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi inexperienced and said they were being misguided by their advisors. And he picked out senior Congress leaders K.C. Venugopal, Randeep Surjewala and Ajay Maken for the criticism. The Congress was completely caught off guard by Amrinder's stinging attack.
I think there was some confusion because our General Secretary said that, it's under the PCC president and leadership that we will fight the election. Then he said again in both of them. I think that is where perhaps because Captain Amrinder Singh and Mr. Sidhu don't seem to be enjoying the best of relationships and they seem to be having fair amount of understanding.
BJP was quick to take political mileage at the growing fissures in the Congress's Punjab state leadership.
इतने साल राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी को झेला है, तो उनकी बात को गलत नहीं कहा जा सकता। वो अपने अनुभव के आधार पर ही ये बात कह रहे हैं।
The Congress's problems just don't seem to end in Punjab, a state going to elections in a few months. Given that Amrinder still has clout among a section of state Congress leaders, the party's campaign could very well take a hit. With Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh, Bureau Report, India Today.